just caught 3 in a row. So I'm gonna keep trying. This is the setup right now. Oh, you got one. You got one. There we go.
Make a picture. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll take care of it. But make a picture.
Oh, that's a nice one right there. That's a spotted bass, I think.
Okay. I'll be able to pull it out. Make a picture.
Try to cast where the tree is. Ah, perfect, yeah. Down the пойдет. Just looking at the fish finder, and let's see if the camera sees it right there. All right, 18 feet, 22 feet. So far, nothing on there. You gotta bite, so let it, oh! Oh, you got another one. Look at that. Man, this is so much fun. These fish aren't big, but they fight so hard. It's crazy.
Oh, I see like 2 more.
Oh my God, they're right. Oh my God, there's so many of them. Oh my God. This is crazy. There's so many here. Oh my God. Yeah, just lift it up. This is unfair. Yeah, покажи камеру. Покажи. Yeah, there's a smallmouth. There it is. I had a feeling there was gonna be a fish there. Man, they fight hard. Woo! They're everywhere. That's not that bad. They're all about the same size, which is crazy. I don't know why.
Let's get it.
There he is. Oh. Ow. Oh, there's a bite right there, and oh, stop playing. Right there it is.
Oh my God.
It's just too easy right now. It's just ridiculous. It's 4 fish in less than 10 minutes.
Spotted bass. No.
I don't know, actually, it might be a spotted bass, or Be careful with the hook, yeah. Оставь, бросай обратно. Just, let me see it.
Small.
Yeah, you can release it. Давай здесь покидай.
Я?
Да. Хорошее место. На. На.
Ой, слушай, это мелко, Андрей.
Че?
Мелко тут, зай. Пусти сюда. Мелко.
Дай попробуй, если ты не думаешь. Че, есть?
Нет. Ну, тебе?
Да. Just got a good one, huh? It's not bad. There you go. Подожди. There you go.
Звони ему. Не берет. Я не понимаю.
Alright, so we just arrived at the spot where we loaded up on some huge bluegill yesterday. So we're gonna spend about 2 hours here trying to catch as many as we can. Just got the first one of the day. Not as big as yesterday's fish, but still a decent bluegill.
Yeah, release.
Right there. It's into something big. I don't know what it is. Man, this thing is... I don't know if this is a bluegill. Oh, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a huge bluegill. Huge. Oh. Came prepared with the net today, unlike yesterday. Oh, man. That's bigger than any yesterday. Oh my god. This thing is huge.
Wow, this is...
Look at that. Massive bluegill.
Can I make a picture?
Yeah. Look at that. Right, so just hooked into another big one. Whenever we start to move, that's when they start biting. So I just twitch my rod or something like that, and that's what gets their attention. Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh my god, he's barely hooked.
Oh!
There he is. Oh, maybe he was hooked well. There we go. And then my dad hooked one. So he's on a fish right now. Oh man, look at that thing. He's hand lining it. Oh, there we go. Got it.
Thank you.
I think a hook came out. Maybe. There it is. Alright, he's hooked into another one.
This one, no, this one is bigger.
It's bigger?
This one is bigger.
I don't know how much bigger they can get.
Oh!
It's a pretty nice one. It's not small. So the vents. I'm gonna cast it out a little bit. I'm just letting it swing back towards the boat. I'm just not touching it.
Well, we're far away from shore.
Let some more line go.
Like, yeah.
Oh, you got a big one. Wow.
Вода прям горячая.